So hey students, today we are going to do some MCQs from sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Okay, so let's get started. Among the terms listed below, those that are not technically correct names for a floral words are. It's 1 minute. Embryo sac is to ovule as pollen grains is to an anther. Okay. Now, in a typical complete bisexual and hypogamous flowers, the arrangement of floral whorls on the thalamus from the outermost to the innermost is like calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Okay. A dicotyledonous plants bear flowers but never produces fruits and seeds. The most probable cause for the situation is plant is dioecious and bears only staminate flowers. Okay, this is the reason for this question. Okay, the outermost and innermost wall layer of microsporangium in an anther are respectively epidermis and tapetum. Epidermis and tapetum, outermost and innermost wall layers. Okay. During microsporogenesis, meiosis occurs in microspore mother cell. Microspore mother cells undergoes meiosis. Okay. From among the sets of the terms given below, identify those that are associated with the gynoecium. Its stigma, ovule, embryo sac and placenta. Okay. Starting from the innermost part, the correct sequence of parts in an ovule are egg, embryo sac, nucellus and integument. Starting from the innermost part, the correct sequence of parts in an ovule are egg, embryo sac, nucellus and integuments. Okay. From the statements given below, choose the options that are true for an typical female gametophyte of a flowering plant. It's a 1 and 2 is the correct answer for this, as it is 8 nucleated and 7 cells and is free nuclear during the development. So we have to choose the true one. Okay, so this is the true, that 8 nucleated and 7 cell, they are free nuclear during the development. Okay. Autogamy can occur in a chasmogamous flower if both pollens and ovules mature simultaneously, so that a chasmogamous flower can undergo autogamy. Okay. Choose the correct statement from the given. Clistogamous flowers always exhibit autogamy. Chasmogamous flowers always exhibit geitonogamy. Clistogamous flowers exhibit both autogamy and geitonogamy. Chasmogamous flowers never exhibit autogamy. So the answer goes to clistogamous flowers always exhibit autogamy. Okay, clistogamous flowers. A particular species of plants produces light non-sticky pollen grains in large number and its stigma are long and feathery. This modification facilitate pollination by wind. Okay. From among the situations given below, choose the one that prevents both autogamy and geitonogamy. So the answer would be dioecious plant bearing only male and female flowers. Choose the one that prevents both autogamy and geitonogamy. Dioecious plants bearing only male and female flowers. In a fertilized embryo sac, the haploid, diploid and triploid structures are synergid. Haploid is the synergid, diploid is the zygote and triploid is primary endosperm nucleus. Okay. In an embryo sac, the cells that degenerate after fertilization are synergids and antipodals degenerate after fertilization. Okay. While planning for an artificial hybridization, programs involving dioecious plants, which of the following steps would not be relevant? Artificial hybridization, which step is not relevant? So the answer is emasculation, because it's a dioecious plant, and if it is a dioecious, then no requirement of emasculation, as male plant is not present with the female on that plant, so you don't need to emasculate that plant as it is dioecious. Okay. In the embryo of a typical dicot and grass, two homologous structures are in a dicot and grass family. So, cotyledons and scutellum. As scutellum is a shield shape, cotyledon presents in monocots. Okay, and it is very important, as you know, scutellum. Okay. Now, the phenomenon observed in some plants where in parts of the sexual apparatus is used for forming embryos without fertilization is called apomixis. The phenomenon observed in some plants where parts of the sexual apparatus is used for forming embryo without fertilization. What? Without fertilization. So it is apomixis seen in some grass family and some seeds. Okay. In a flowering, if a megaspore mother cells forms megaspore without undergoing meiosis, what? Without undergoing meiosis. If one of the megaspore developed in an embryo sac, its nuclei would be diploid, as it is without meiosis. Okay, so it will be diploid. Okay. The phenomena where the ovary develops into a fruit without fertilization is called parthenocarpy, as you all know that it is called parthenocarpy, the formation of fruits without fertilization. Ovary develops into a fruit without fertilization. It is called parthenocarpy. So all the best for your NEET exam. All the best, all of you. Okay.